Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna pizza. First, let's get our base ready. You can use a store-bought crust or make your own dough. Next, prepare your tuna by draining it well. This prevents a soggy pizza. Finally, have your sauce and cheese ready to go. We're aiming for a delicious, easy meal. Now, let's build our pizza. Begin by spreading a thin, even layer of your preferred pizza sauce across the dough. This provides a flavorful foundation. Then, gently scatter the well-drained tuna over the sauce. Remember, less is often more here to ensure even cooking and a balanced taste. Don't forget the edges. Next, it's time for the cheese. Sprinkle a generous amount of shredded mozzarella over the tuna layer. This creates that classic gooey texture. For extra flavor, you might add some thinly sliced red onions or black olives. A light dusting of dried oregano or Italian seasoning will really bring out the aromas. Get creative with your additions. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Place the pizza in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Once done, let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. This helps the cheese set. Enjoy your delicious homemade tuna pizza.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.